Welcome to our guide to using a cloud-based CRM. Today, we'll explore how these solutions can revolutionize your business. First, let's understand what a cloud-based CRM is and why it matters. It refers to customer relationship management software that is hosted in the cloud rather than on local servers. The benefits of using a cloud-based CRM are immense, including accessibility from anywhere, scalability as your business grows, and reduced IT costs. When choosing a cloud-based CRM, look for key features like automation, analytics, and customer insights to ensure it meets your business needs. Choosing the right cloud-based CRM involves assessing your business size, specific needs, and the features that are most important to you. Setting up your cloud-based CRM can be straightforward. Follow our step-by-step guide to get started with ease. To maximize your CRM's functionality, consider how it can integrate with other tools and software you currently use. Training your team is crucial for the effective use of your cloud-based CRM. Ensure they are comfortable navigating its features. To get the most out of your cloud-based CRM investment, follow best practices like regular data updates and feedback loops. Even the best systems have issues. Here are some common troubleshooting tips for cloud-based CRMs to keep your operations running smoothly. Leveraging a cloud-based CRM can significantly enhance your business growth, so why not start today?